Hey, how's it going, guys? Out hauling corn today, still helping the same outfit that I was spreading turkey manure for. That job's now done. Now I'm moving on, helping these guys haul corn for some of the custom farming that they do. So we're down by Springfield, Minnesota, and so yeah, I'm helping keep the corn away from an S690 with an 18-row head on it. It's about what, 33 feet wide. These guys run 22-inch row spacing, so got this big ass head on it. So get that S690 on it, then you got a 9460R with a Unverfer, the 1156 grain cart, keeping the corn away from the combine and loading the trucks. And also out here, there's a 620 Quadtrac pulling a DMI. I'm getting her all done here, so I'll try and see if I can sneak some footage for you guys here while I'm sitting here waiting to load. Here he is. Sorry, the picture's a little crooked. 9460R. Right there's the S690. That cart is massive. Catch what I can here in the mirror.
Hey, Timmy, you got the hammer down in that thing.
This truck will fill me, or not truck, this cart will fill me up and you'll have a little left over. But over here, quick glimpse of the Quadtrac. Zoom in there so you can see him a little better. He's just going to town right there. It's a 620 pulling a DMI. I think it's a 9300 DMI. I didn't look that close on it. If I get a little closer look at it, I'll let you know. It's a 730 or a 9300 DMI. It's hauling ass. So we're almost done with this field, then we're gonna move to, I think, one or two more, then we're done in this area, then we're gonna head back towards where the farm is. So the truck I'm driving, it's a 1999 International 9400 with a good old N14 in it. I think it's a red top. I never opened the whole hood and looked, but I know it's an N14. But the one thing I don't like about this truck, it's an automatic. I don't like it because it doesn't shift when I like it to shift, but I tried shifting it manually. It lets me do it once in a while, but I prefer my stick shift. So, let's go to the elevator and get this dumped. Okay, we're about to pull into the elevator here. I'm gonna kind of set you there. I got the tarp opened up already. Now it's kind of bumpy. I got you sitting on the dash, so I don't want to be hanging on to it and make it that obvious that I'm making a YouTube video. We'll pull up here and stop, we'll get probed, then we go on the scale and get a weight, go dump, Come back, and there goes that. Dump, come back, scale out, and figure out how many bushels were in the truck. That big thing right there, that's the probe. That's what's going to take a grain sample out. Scale, get weighed. Oh yeah, see over here they got us. I didn't realize that the camera had shut off, but so I got weighed. Test weight was 57 pounds to a bushel. Moisture at 17, and then we're gonna go dump. So there he is. He's got it easy. Only thing that sucks about him, he's got to be out in the dust with the electric. He's got it easy with the electric traps, but just to be out there in the dust, that sucks. Pull up the box, grab the ticket. Alright, we got the ticket. Back to the field we go. Another thing too, it's opening deer, shotgun season for deer hunting, so we got some deer hunters running around the field. I don't know if they're tracking a deer or what. Yeah, I'm gonna run into that too this time of the year. Alright, so we're at the next field. The S690 opening things up. So we're going down the road, my first load out of this field, and it's snowing like no other. So we are now shut down because the snow, the snow gets on the corn plants, and then the corn, the corn gets combined, and the snow sticks to the sieves. So so when the snow plugs up the sieves, and that means the corn can't fall through the sieves and get to the clean grain auger and get in the tank. So pretty much what that means is all the corn's going out the back of the combine. So, and that's not a good thing. So we're done down here anyway. So I guess I'm going to end the video here with that. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see what happens.